Hello, in this video we're going to see step by step how you can use the fallback options of WayMore Campaign Manager. First of all, you need to have selected your audience from the first step of the wizard. Then on the second step on the channels, you can see your active channels and the statistics of your contacts. And then you need to go to next to go to the next step, that is the campaign flow. Here you can select your primary channel and you have two optional fallbacks. Here you can see all the active channels again. So simply by drag and drop, you can create your flow. Let's say Viber, SMS, and email. This doesn't mean that you always need to have selected all three options. You can either have one primary and one fallback option. In case you want to change something or remove something, you can click on the X and everything will be returned back as it were. Let's say, for example, that you want to create a campaign from the cheapest channel of communication to the most expensive. So we would go with the email first, second the Viber, and then with the SMS. Once you're sure and you have created your campaign flow, we need to go to the next step in order to configure some fallback conditions and options. When you click Next, you're coming to the Messages step where you need to set up your messages. For this example, we have primary channel, the email, and as you can see, the fallback conditions are not clickable. So I need to create very fast a setup for my email message. So let's go together. I will go and type something in the sender name from, we have an email subject, hi, an email pre-header, and I need to select a template. So once you do that at your own time and with the correct data, you can save your message, your template, and then the fallback options will be activated. So let's see. The next fallback will be triggered when both of the following conditions apply. First of all, the message is not delivered by 1 minute, and the below selected conditions apply also. Remember that for the second condition, you must at least select one status. Here, the undeliverable status is automatically checked, and you can specify if you want also that to be delivered but not open yet, and you can specify a specific date and time to trigger the fallback. So we're going to put a specific date, 30th of May, and specific time, 8:20 p.m. Now you have your fallback options. In the same way of thinking, you need to go to your first fallback option to your secondary channel. Again, create your setup of your message in order to the fallback conditions to be activated. So let's see again, I will go for the Viber message. Inside my setup, I will have a Viber ID, a laid out option, it will be text only, shorten URL, a message to the body. Here I will need to have nothing else so I can save my setup. Please take your time, do your message at your own time, save it, and then your fallback conditions again will be activated. Let's see them. The next fallback will be triggered when both of the following conditions apply. First, the message is not delivered by 83 minutes, approximately 5,000 seconds, and the below selected conditions apply also. You can select and have more than one option from expired, undelivered, or failed. In the same way of thinking, if the SMS was our primary or secondary channel, again, we would need to create our message through setup and then the fallback conditions would be activated. Thank you for watching this video.